Yeah, Ardha Matsyendrasana, one of the prime posture which has the highest influence in optimizing the function of pancreas, thereby optimizing the secretion of insulin. Okay, so we'll walk through step by step how to deeply connect with this posture. Yeah, we'll get started. Pa. Bend the right knee, right leg across, left leg folded. So the moment the left leg is folded, we gain a strong footage, strong grounding. Using that, we'll create a deeper twist. First, we'll start with the basic one. Right hand at the back, left hand hugging the right leg as tight as possible. The tightness is required to arrest the movement at the left side, which is closer to the spleen and colon. Okay. So now, as we create the tightness and lifting of the spine and pushing of the hip down, so the breath is around this region, the liver and the pancreas. You feel it? So, and some part of the kidney is also receiving the stretch due to breath. So now we are going to focus more towards the pancreas. The left hand is around the thigh. This is the second stage, deepening into the stretch. Okay. Now see the movement. It is concentrating closer to the pancreas. We can create little more concentration also, either by catching the right ankle or using a rope to catch. Okay. So now the breath is just around the tip of the liver and the pancreas. Thus, this becomes a highly influential posture dealing with diabetic conditions. Got it, guys?